Hello heroes, Joe Smith here. Another tool review Tuesday. This is a Pittsburg 51-piece socket set. It was part of the 12 tools of Christmas back before Christmas last year. Got for $5 with the minimum purchase of $50. And that was after using other coupons. And then also you're able to get one of each of the tools if you wanted to for that $5 price, so it was super duper deal. But this is normally like $14.99, $15. Comes with some 1/4-inch sockets, 1/2-inch sockets, and 3/8 sockets. You got 1/2-inch ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, 1/4-inch nut driver or socket adapter to use the sockets in this as a nut driver. Doesn't have a 1/4-inch ratchet though. It does have a 3/8 to 1/4 adapter in addition to the nut driver tool. Has one 3/8 extension. Has two spark plug sockets, 5/8 and 13/16, which is also 21 millimeters. It says on it. And the 5/8, yeah, 16 millimeter. So yeah, two common spark plug socket sizes there. Has basically just your standard size sockets. Start out at 4 millimeter on the metric, and what was it, 5/32 on the standard. 1/4-inch goes up to a 1/2, and then your 3/8 start for the metric. Let's see, the metric goes up to 10 millimeters. Or no, there's 11, 12, 13. Guess these over here, 1/4-inch drive. Okay, that's where 3/8 starts. So go up to 13 on the 1/4-inch drive, and then 14 starts at 3/8 drive. 16, 17, it skips 15. At 9/16, 11/16, 3/4 for your 3/8 drive. And these are all 1/2-inch drives, so it only has like 6 sockets that are 3/8 drive. The rest are all 1/4-inch or 1/2-inch. So, might not be like a super useful set in like a normal shop setting, but something like this for the price you stick like underneath the seat in your car in case of emergency, or in the trunk of your car, or in the toolbox in your pickup truck or something. This is something that you just have like in case of emergency, usually in your vehicle. Or if you're just like a homeowner that needs something for occasional repairs, work around the house, or maybe occasional changing some brakes or oil on your car or something in the driveway, this might be a good set for you for the price. Normally $15, use the 20% off coupon, that knocks it down to 12. Might be other promotions throughout the year where you could get it for 10, or the 12 tool Christmas deal. Don't know if it'll be on the next year's Christmas deal, or if they do that again. But for $5, it's can't go wrong for $5 on this. Just one ratchet alone in here, about $5. So it's going to be a nice little work truck socket set for case emergency. Joe Smith's going to use it for. But sockets are pretty much average quality. Sure, they'll last just as long as any other brand. If not, they got a lifetime warranty. See, item number 63013. Pretty sturdy case. Those ones got socket sets before that come in real flimsy plastic cases. This is actually pretty sturdy. So it's going to be a nice old road travel emergency socket kit for the truck. And at a price that can't be beat. Thanks for watching. Joe Smith signing out.